Hi guys! Finally, we were able to experience Apong ang mabasa.
Ay, video na lang, sir. Video lang, video lang.
Hi guys! Ngayon tayo sa Buskalan. Ayan si Apo Wang Od. Finally, experience na natin siya. So, nagawa ko na first ever tattoo ko guys. Yung 3 signature dots ni Apo Wang Od. Super worth it ang experience guys. Ayan po si Apo Wang Od. Ayan. Grabe, sobrang experience natin guys. So guys, we are now here sa boundary ng Mountain Province at saka ng Kalinga, the town of Tinglayan, which is also the hometown of Apo Wang Od. So we are going to Buskalan. Yun. So guys, andito na po tayo sa Buskalan. And ayan po, we are going to Wang Od. So guys, we are now here at Buskalan, going to the community of where Apo Wang Od is. Ayun yung tram rail bang tawag doon. But anyway, hindi na siya para sa tao, panggamit na lang siya. Ito yung bridge na ginagawa para sa bagong route. So we are now here sa Buskalan. Guys, andito tayo sa dating kubo ni Wang Od.
Sige guys, upo po muna
Kung saan ginagawa yung mga pagtatato niya.
Dati nun.
Oo. Ang ganda pala ng view. Nice. Hi guys! And that's the end of our tour. We are now here in Ifugao. So nadaanan naman natin kanina yung Banaur Rice Terraces. And yon sa Ifugao. So I was able to accomplish naman my goal of adding 2 more provinces, which is Sagada and Mountain Province and then Buskalan in Kalinga. Unfortunately, hindi ko pwedeng ma-count si Ifugao pa sa ating Project 82 kasi dumaan lang kami at saka nag-take ng picture. But I'm planning already to go to Batad kasi I learned and I researched na napakaganda rin ng rice terraces doon at Ines Heritage Store. All in all, it was a great experience, especially meeting Wang Od and having my first ever tattoo, the 3 dots of Wang Od in Buskalan. And of course, Sagada. Sobrang napakagandang place. Alright, see you in my next travels!